everybody. I am Soprati Patra. Today I try to prove that water is colorless. Let's start. First I take a glass of plain water. Can you see any color? No. There is no color. Now I divide the water into 3 small glasses. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 colors: red, blue and green. Now I mix red color in first glass, blue color in second glass, green color in third glass. Let's see. This becomes red colored water. This becomes blue colored water. This becomes green colored water. Water colors is changed according to mixing color. So we can easily prove water is colorless.